Hello everyone, in this video, we will learn how to use Chatgpt. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. If you do not have an account yet, click on Sign Up and create one using your email or Google account. Once you are signed in, you will see a simple chat window. In this center, there is a text box. This is where you type your message or question. For example, you can write a short email to my boss requesting a day off. Then press enter. ChatGPT will respond in a few seconds. You can also ask follow-up questions in the same chat. ChatGPT remembers the conversation, so you can say make it shorter or add more detail, and it will adjust the answer for you. If you want to start a new topic, click on New Chat on the left side. This clears the chat history and starts a fresh conversation. You can use ChatGPT for many things, like summarizing articles, creating content ideas, writing code, or even learning new skills. Just be clear with your prompt. The better you describe what you want, the better the answer you get. If you need more accurate or recent information, mention it directly in your question, such as summarize the latest news about electric cars. Remember that ChatGPT is not perfect, so it is good to double-check facts or data before using them. That is how you use ChatGPT to help you work faster, learn smarter, and create better results. Thanks for watching.